Okay, with this video, we're going to add the appliances to my model. I'm going to add the refrigerator. I'm going to add the dishwasher and the range from the 3D warehouse. Okay, so you see from the last video, I've added all of my base and wall cabinets. All right, so I'm going to start with the refrigerator. Okay, so I'm going to go to the warehouse, right? And I'm going to search for, I'm going to use the manufacturer LG. Okay. Now, in selecting these appliances, you may not be able to find the exact one that you specified on your product selection sheet, but you want to find one that's similar. Don't worry about the size of it because we can use the scale tool to actually manipulate the scale to suit our design. Okay, so let's see. Which one do I want to use? I'm just scrolling down. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the top. I think this is the one. I like this one right here. Okay, so now I'm going to download it to my model. Good, here it is. Okay. All right. So now I want to place this refrigerator in the corner. Okay, but my wall cabinet is kind of hiding it. I mean, the wall cabinet is preventing me from doing so. Well, I could, but if I was to hide this wall cabinet, it would make it easier. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to select this wall cabinet. I'm going to right click. And I'm going to go hide. Good. So now I can come in here. It's not in the way. Okay, so now I'm going to use my move tool. And my move tool, which is here. Okay, and I'm going to choose this corner right here. And I'm going to come over here. Come over here. Okay. I'm going to place it there. Okay, cool. Let's see how it's looking. Okay, I see I need to move it out from the wall. So, okay, so let me just do a zoom extents and come back in here like this. Let's stop this from carrying on. Okay, good. Okay. So I need to, is it against the wall? Nope, it's not quite against the wall. So I need to do two things. So I need to move it from here back to there. Good. Placing it against the wall. Oops, orbit around this way. Okay. Then I need to move it again. Good. All right, that looks pretty good. I can do it with that. All right. So now I'm going to unhide my wall cabinet here. So I'm going to go to the edit tool, under the edit tab, and I'm going to edit tab, and then I'm going to unhide last. Okay. All right. So now that brings us back. Okay. So now I'm looking. Let me do a zoom extent. Okay. Good. So now I'm looking at this. Zoom out a little bit. Let's zoom in like this. There we go. Right, so now I'm going to zoom around like this, okay? Now this is where the scale tool comes in. My refrigerator is a little bit too high, okay? Right, because I don't want to change my wall cabinet, so I'm just going to change the height of my refrigerator. All right, so I'm going to I'm going to select the wall cabinet again, and I'm going to hide it again. So now I can see the top of the refrigerator. Then I'm going to go to the scale tool, which is right here. Okay. Then I'm going to select the refrigerator. And if you watch the video, you know that these little boxes here are your actual, your scale direction tools. That's what I call it. All right, so I want to select this one because this is going to lower the entire top of the refrigerator. So I'm going to select this little box in the center. Okay. You see, I'm pulling it down. I'm going to pull it down to about 96. Okay. Good. Then I'm going to escape out of that. Good. So now I can go back and go to my edit tab, and I can go to unhide the last. Okay, and that brings my wall cabinet back, and that looks pretty good. I got some clearance there. I can see that. That's what I want. Okay. So now what I want to add is going to be the zoom extents again. Come over here. Okay. So now I want to add the dishwasher. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the warehouse. And now I'm gonna look for LG dishwasher. Okay, and I like this one right here, first one. Okay, so I'm going to download this one. Just a second here. So I'm going to download this one directly into my drawing. Cool. So it's going to go in this position here. So I'm going to try to get it in here as close as I can. Let's see. Let's get it down here. Let's get it. Yeah, that's right there. Okay, cool. All right. All right. So I need to move it over some. I need to move it over. So let's see what I can do. I'm going to go to my move command, and I'm going to go here, and I want to move it from here to there, right? So you see what I did? I kind of aligned this top of the dishwasher to the top of the wall base cabinet, top of the dishwasher to the top of the base cabinet. That's what I did. So I can escape out of that. Okay, that looks pretty good. Good. And they match, okay? Now, let's go back and see if I can use a LG. Now I need to add my range here, so. Yeah. So let's see if I can find an LD range. Okay, I'll go back to LG, pardon me, LG range, just put that in there. Okay, all right, I'm looking through these. Now, because my range is in the island, I don't want my range to have a back ledge like this. That's just it would look strange in the island. So I don't want a range that looks like that, okay? All right. So I'm going down here through my choices. Okay, I don't want that one, I don't want that one. That one's built in, so I can't use that one. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna go back here, and instead of going to LG, I'm gonna go range, just range in general. Okay, see what I have now. Okay. This is the type that I need. Like you notice that it doesn't have that back panel, okay? So let's scroll down. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. And I really want a gas range. Okay, good. So it seems like my best option was the one at the top. Okay, so let's go back to that one. So I'm going to download this one directly. Nope, I don't want that one because it's an electric one. I want a gas one, right? I don't want that one. So let's go back to the warehouse. Nope, I don't want that one either because it has a back on it. Let's see. Still looking. This one seems to be a gas one. Good. Let's see if I can deal with this one. Okay. Let's download this one. Okay, that looks pretty good. It's a gas range. All right. All right. So I need to come over here though. Okay, place it there. And I need to rotate it around 880 degrees. All right, so I'm going to use the rotate tool right here. Come over here. Let me get it at the top here. There it is. Okay, now I'm going to put it in this direction like this. Then I'm going to click. Then I'm going to rotate it around like this on axis. There it is. Okay, good. So now I can move it. Let's use my move command now. And I'm going to get out. Just let me select this. Okay, the move command. And I'm going to zero in right here to this corner. Okay, it's buffering for some reason. Okay, I'm going to go from this corner. Okay, and I'm going to bring it over here into my model. Let's do a zoom extent. Bring it over here to my model, zoom in, and let's see. Put it right there. Okay. Let's see what that's looking. Oh, I'm up too high. Okay, so I need to move it here down to the floor. There we go. Now that's much better. Okay, good. And I want zoom extents again. And I want the back of my range to be in alignment with the flanking base cabinets on both sides. And that's what it is. Okay, come around the front. Okay, that looks good. It's a gas range. Almost kind of like the one I have in my house. Okay, and of course the range protrudes beyond the base cabinet, and that's the way it should be. All right. So with that, we've added the appliances.